In this video, I will show you how to enable and disable dark mode on Windows 11. To get started, what you want to do from your Windows 11 desktop is right click onto a blank space of your desktop. Once you've done that, you're going to get a menu pop up. From here, you want to come down and click onto personalize. And what that's going to do is open up the personalization section in your Windows PC settings. From here, you want to look for colors. Give that a click, and once you've clicked on colors, if you look at the top, you can choose your mode. So you can see I've currently got light mode enabled, but to change to dark mode, just click onto the drop down box and you're going to see the option for dark mode here. When you give that a click, it's going to instantly change your PC to dark mode. So this is going to change the colors that appears in Windows and your apps, as you can see. And if you want to actually change your background and things like that as well, if you come back to personalization, and from here you want to click onto themes. And you can see there's also a theme here in the preset themes, which is this dark theme here. When you give that a click, this is going to completely change to dark mode. So now everything, including your apps and things like that, are going to be in dark mode. To disable dark mode, all you need to do is simply change this back. So in themes, you would change back to this here, which is going to change you back to light mode. But if you're still getting the apps and things like that in dark mode, come back into colors and make sure that this mode here is changed back to light. And that's going to disable dark mode. So that is how to enable and disable dark mode on Windows 11. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.